Healthy morning, students. Today in this video we'll solve question 6 of exercise 14.1. Let us read the question. The table below shows the daily expenditure on food of 25 households in locality. Daily expenditure is given in terms of class, which are from 150 to 300 to 350, and number of households are given, which are 4, 5, 12 to 2. Find mean daily expenditure on food by suitable method. Again we'll use step deviation method. Let us solve. So daily expenditure, that means first row will be our class, second row will be our frequency. That already I have written. Now add these all frequencies. If I add these all frequencies, it will be 25. Now let us move to second column. We'll find out class mark of this class 100 to 150. We know the formula. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Here lower limit 100, upper limit 150. So 100 plus 150 divided by 2. 100 plus 150, it will be 250. If I divide 250 by 2, I will get 125. So 125 will be class mark of class 100 to 150. Now to get class mark of the second class, we'll find out class size. Here I have found out class size. We know the formula. Difference of two consecutive upper limit is called class size. If I consider these two upper limits, 150 and 200, so 200 minus 150, it will be 50. So 50 is our class size. So we'll get class mark of second class by adding 50 to previous class mark, which is 125. So 125 plus 50 will be 175. For the class mark of third class, 175 plus 50, 225. Fourth class, 225 plus 50, 275. Then 275 plus 50, 325. Now we'll suppose value of A, which is middle value of class mark. Here total 5 class mark we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So center class mark will be 2 to 5. So that will be value of A. We know whatever class mark we have considered A, for that we are taking value of UI 0. Above 0 negative values, from -1 to -2. Below 0 positive value, +1 +2. Fifth column is Fi into Ui. So multiply this all Fi with these all Uis. So 4 into -2, -8. 5 into -1, -5. 12 zeros are 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are, it will be 4. Now add negative numbers, -8 and -5 will be -13. If we add positive numbers 2 and 4, 2 plus 4 will be 6. Now sigma FIUI will be -13 plus 6. So minus plus minus, 13 minus 6, it will be -7. We know very well, when we do subtraction, we give greater number sign to the answer. So we have sigma FIUI -7, that means sum of FIUI -7. Let us move towards formula of mean, which is x bar equals to A plus sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi into H. Let us substitute the values. A we have 225, sigma fi ui, it is minus 7. In the denominator, sigma fi, which is 25, into h, here we have h, which is 50. Now 225 will be as it is. If I solve this 25 and 50, so 25 ones are 25 twos are. So in the numerator it will be minus 7 into 25 twos are 50, that means 2, upon, in the numerator it will be 1. So minus 7 as it is, 25 twos are 50, so 25 twos are, so here it will be 2 upon 1. It will be 225 minus 7 into 2, it will be minus 14. So 225 minus 14, it will be 211. So here we have answer. So mean is 211. Go through the whole method once again.